guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sakshi and in today's video I'm going to do this Punjabi look. Starting with moisturizing my face. I've already put a bit of moisturizer onto my face, पर अब मैं एक oil based moisturizer लेने वाली हूँ. Of lately I've been using oil based moisturizer because it's winter और मेरी skin बहुत dry हो जाती है and it works best for me. So I have been using moisturizing oils also मेरे normal moisturizer के साथ. Otherwise skin बहुत flaky लगती है जब भी आप makeup करते हैं बहुत dry सी skin के ऊपर. Moving on to the next step, which is going to be a primer. And I'm using Swiss Beauty primer. This works really amazing. So primer is done and I'll let it sit for around 1 minute and then I'll go on to the next step, which is concealing my under eyes. As you can see, before concealing, my face looks something like this. So I have a little bit of dark circles. So this is my face without concealing and foundation. So now let's put our foundation and see क्या difference आता है. So for concealing my eyes, I'm going to use this Maybelline Age Divine Concealer. This is in the shade Caramel. Now this shade Caramel is a bit too dark for me because I really don't like वो color correction जो orange और red color से under eyes के नीचे कर. So I use a concealer with a darker shade under my eyes जिसका थोड़ा yellower tone हो ज़्यादा warm tone हो मेरी skin tone से. And then I put my foundation over it so it looks the same effect. And so that's what I'm going to do today. Can you just see the instant change in my under eyes? So that is it for my concealer. If I show you a little closely, it looks a bit yellow around where जहाँ पे मैंने अपना product put किया है. But एक बार मैं इसके ऊपर foundation apply कर दूंगी, which is my skin tone, सब कुछ एकदम normal दिखेगा. So this is just a prepping phase. Moving on to the next thing, which is going to be eyeshadows. So let's get started. So I think आज मैं orange shade में ही eyeshadow करूंगी. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolutions palette, which is called Flawless Forever palette. And इसके जो major shades है वो corals oranges में है and I really adore this palette like to the fullest. And I'm going to be using this bigger brush for putting the base color. Very first color I'm going to use is this color right here, which is Flame, जो light orangish kind of a color है, which I really like. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. So after this little dull shade, I'm going to go on this shade which is called Lava. It is a bright orange color. तो मैं इस little pop of color दूंगी मेरे outer lids पे. And as you can see, this time मैंने थोड़ा सा thicker density का brush लिया है और थोड़ा stiff सा है ये, so that मैं एक ही जगह पे अपना color block कर सकूँ. Just on the outer lids to open up my eyes, and there I go. So मेरा eyes थोड़ा defined लगे, and that's all. And since I'm done with both of the colors I want on my eyes, I'm going to blend it with a neat brush. So moving on to a little bit of shimmer. So I think I have 3 to 4 different options for shimmer for today's look. I think I'll be going with kind of these two. So yeah, this will be going in my inner eyes, which is called Firelight. And the upper one, which is Extinguished, which is going to go on my lids. And I'm going to put shimmer with the help of this flat brush. I think I'm going to go with my fingers now. I think it works best with fingers. So that is it for my eyes for now. और अभी मैं eyebrows कर लेती हूँ पहले. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty's palette, which has a lot of browns and deep colors. So I'm going to use this one and this shade right here. And I really love using the brown colors in my existing palettes for my eyebrow. Although I have different products, but I think they all work the same. But for me it works the best. अगर आपकी eyebrow मेरे जैसी है, so you can really go for brown shade in your eyeshadow palette and just go for it. It will work best. Since I'm going for the Punjabi look, I'm going to do little thick brows and I'm going to make it little darker than usual. After filling my eyebrows, I'm going to just use the other side of the brush, which is spoolie, to just brush all my eyebrow hair. And now moving to the foundation, I'm going to use this Insight Cosmetic foundation. It's in the shade 02 Rose Beige. Although it says it's a full coverage foundation, but for me it doesn't work like that. It also has SPF 15 and it's a long wear foundation. And today for blending my foundation, I'm going to be using this Kabuki foundation brush. It really sits very nicely on my face, and it's a very light wear foundation which stays for my skin around for 2-3 hours, which is good for a daily wear foundation. And the finish of this foundation is a satin finish which allows my face to look really flawless. And yeah, that's all about this foundation. And coming on to my concealer, see, with this foundation, pura jo yellow part dikh raha tha around my eyes, that's been gone. Let's move on to a little bit of contouring. I'm going to use this Insight Cosmetics Kahi concealer, but it is in the shade a rich tan, and it looks something like this. This one is a nice cool toned warm shade, which I think will work amazing for contouring. So now I'm going to put a little bit of banana powder around my under eyes. So मैंने अपना फाउंडेशन पहले नहीं लगाया था, and that was the reason कि मैं पहले inner corner में नहीं put किया था shimmer, and now I'm going to put it. I'm using this sponge eyeshadow brush. So for my liner, I'm going to use this MAC gel liner pot, and I'm going to use a brush for it. And so I've put my liner, and after this I'm going to use same thing on my lower lids. Now I'm going to take another brush and smudge it a little bit. So smudge करने से क्या होगा, आंखें थोड़ा और elongated और बड़ी लगने लग जाती है. So let's move on to a little bit of blusher. So for me, eyes are never complete without a mascara, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So I have a natural eyelashes really long, and that is the reason I don't put falsies that much. And this is how they look. So next I'm going to use this lip liner from Nykaa. Lips Don't Lie, and it's in the shade Sweetheart Pink. And next I'm going to use Super Stay Matting from Maybelline, and it's in the shade 80 Ruler. So before I say I'm done, I'm going to use this MAC eyeshadow, which is very glittery, just to put a little extra glitter on my eyes. And now, last but not the least, I'm going to use this illuminating loose powder in the shade Classic Gold from K Beauty, and it's a sheer shimmer. Just look at it. This is a complete magic. Like, this product is so good. By the fact about this one, I got this as a gift from my friend Neelmani, and she gifted me this on my birthday, and I'm really glad. She asked me what she asked me which product you want, and I was like, yeah, that's all about it. I think that's about it for my makeup. this is my final makeup look and I hope guys कि आपको ये अच्छा लगा होगा. In case you liked anything in this content, please like this video, keep subscribing to my channel and I'll see you very soon. Tab tak, bye bye.